Welcome back to the channel. History is often written in quiet moments, but today we are discussing a moment that will be loud, chaotic, and heavily debated. We are talking about an icon, a benchmark, a nameplate that has defined the sports sedan segment for nearly 40 years. We are looking at the 2026 BMW M3. But this time, everything is different. The legendary inline-six engine is gone. The exhaust pipes are gone. This is the first ever fully electric M3 based on the Neue Klasse platform. The king is dead. Or is it? For enthusiasts, the M3 isn't just a car, it is a religion. From the lightweight E30 to the screaming V8 of the E92, the M3 has always been about one thing: the connection between the driver and the machine. So, when BMW announced that the next generation will be electric, the automotive world held its breath. There is fear, there is skepticism. Can a car powered by batteries really carry the M badge? Can a computer replicate the soul of combustion? Or are we witnessing the greatest evolution in automotive history? Logic says electric cars are faster, but emotion asks, at what cost? Today, we dissect the future. The design philosophy, a new era. Let's begin with the visual story. For the last decade, BMW designs have been polarized. Huge grills, complex lines, but with the 2026 M3, based on the Neue Klasse concept, they have hit the reset button. The design logic here is reductive. They have stripped away the unnecessary. The silhouette is classic BMW, shark-nosed, with a modernized take on the kidney grille that incorporates the headlights. It is retro-futuristic. It looks like a solid block of aluminum carved by wind. It does not look like a toy. It looks like a piece of high-end architecture. The wide fenders are still there, reminding you that this car is built for the track, not just the grocery store. It commands attention not by shouting, but by whispering confidence. The engineering, the quad motor revolution. Now, let us talk about the heart of this machine, or rather, the four hearts. The rumors and leaks suggest a revolutionary quad motor setup, one electric motor for each wheel. Why is this logical? In a gas car, power has to travel from the engine, through the transmission, down the drive shaft, into a differential, and finally to the wheels. That takes time. In this electric M3, the power is instant. But it's not just about speed, it's about control. BMW is introducing a new super brain computer they call the Heart of Joy. This single unit controls everything: steering, braking, and power distribution, milliseconds faster than any human could react. It means this car can perform physics-defying maneuvers. It can pivot like a tank or slide with surgical precision. This is not just raw power, it's calculated violence. The numbers, redefining performance. We are potentially looking at over 1,000 horsepower in the top-tier competition models, a 0 to 60 time that will likely be under 3 seconds. However, numbers on a spreadsheet are easy. The challenge for BMW is weight. Batteries are heavy. Logic dictates that a heavy car cannot handle well. But BMW claims this new chassis is designed specifically to hide that weight. The battery pack is part of the structure, lowering the center of gravity drastically. It might be heavy on the scales, but on the road, it is designed to feel lighter than the current gasoline models. The interior, the digital cockpit. Inside, the revolution continues. The clutter of buttons is gone. The focus is the panoramic vision, a display that spans the entire width of the windshield. This is a controversial move. Some say it's too much technology, but the logic is sound. Keep the driver's eyes on the road. By projecting information directly into your line of sight, the car ensures that you never look down. It's a cockpit designed for the digital age, merging the physical and virtual worlds. The materials are sustainable, recycled, and premium, moving away from traditional leather to high-tech fabrics. It feels airy, spacious, and undeniably modern.
The experience, finding the soul. But here is the most important part of the review, the drive. Without the roar of an engine, without the mechanical click of a gear shift, how does it communicate? BMW promises that the feedback will be synthetic but authentic. They are engineering vibrations into the seat and the steering wheel to replace the engine's harmonics. The acceleration will pin you to your seat with a force that a gas engine simply cannot match. It's a different kind of thrill. It's the thrill of absolute, silent domination. It looks incredible. It features technology that makes current supercars look ancient, and it has more power than we know what to do with. But there is a massive shadow hanging over this car. The M3 was never about being the fastest. It was about being the most engaging. It was about the ultimate driving machine. If this car feels like a computer game, if it feels like a glorious appliance, then the M3 legacy dies with it. The cling hanger here isn't about the car's speed, it's about its identity. Is this strictly a marketing exercise, or has BMW actually solved the puzzle of making an EV feel alive? This is the biggest gamble BMW has ever taken, and I want to know where you stand. Are you ready to embrace an electric M3 with 1,000 horsepower? Or do you believe that without an engine, it's just an expensive gadget? This debate is going to define the next 10 years of car culture. Write your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to follow this story as we get more real-world updates and eventually drive this beast, make sure you are subscribed. The future is coming fast. Don't miss it. See you in the next one.